Hey guys, what's up? PipSnipers here, back for another update. Let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance over here. I hope you all are enjoying your weekend. I just wanted to put out this quick video to show you that it looks like alts are gaining steam here against Bitcoin. Taking a look here at Bitcoin dominance, along with stablecoin dominance and Ethereum dominance, we do see that we have double tapped to 70.2% fib, and we have the momentum indicator on the weekly time frame turning negative from slightly overbought conditions with bearish divergence. So although we have a equal high on the price, we have a lower high on the weekly momentum indicator with this second touch point already turning down from trendline resistance. Okay, so wouldn't surprise me that we see the breakdown here. Okay, now when we just take a look at Bitcoin dominance, we do see that we have perfectly hit the 61.8% fib in a bearish rising wedge formation with bearish divergence on the weekly RSI. Okay, now as we were coming up here, you could say that we were forming bearish divergence here, right? But it looks like it needed to come up just a little bit more here, right? Now this weekly close is on Sunday, and if we continue down here, then all should start picking up steam against Bitcoin. Okay, you can see that we were in highly overbought conditions here in October 2023. Then we went down and then came back up towards the 61.8% fib, forming a little bit of a bearish head and shoulders here on the RSI, and now we're turning down again here off the trendline resistance. Okay, so bearish divergence on the high time frame indicators, along with a bearish pattern here with the peak coming in at the 61.8% fib. What we would want to see here next week is a breakdown of this trend line, and in my opinion, if it does break down below this trend line, it likely won't be a slow move. It'll likely be very fast, likely towards these range highs over here. Okay, sitting at around 47.85%. Okay, now when we take a look here at others dominance, we do see that we are missing a third drive up here, right? So this is a bearish three drives pattern, or you can even call it an ending diagonal. And you can see that we've been within this rising or this ascending channel for a long time, going all the way back to 2017, right? And now we're finally at trendline support, along with this very important structural support that we've been using in the past many times as well. Okay, you see how many times we interacted with this yellow box over here, or this median? Okay, now we're back on it here in 2024, and it wouldn't surprise me we now see our third drive to the upside before we get that crash. Okay, so I do think that the altcoins are starting to pick up steam, right? Others dominance looks like it wants to put in its third drive to the upside. Bitcoin dominance looks like it's ready to top here in a rising wedge with weekly bearish divergence. And Bitcoin dominance plus stablecoin dominance, it looks like we have classy bearish divergence as well with an equal high, although we have a lower high on the momentum indicator right off of the 70.2% fib. Okay, we also see altcoins breaking out against their Bitcoin pair, for example XRP dominance. You can see here that it looks like we're already printing our impulsive move to the upside here. You can see how many times we use this structural support. So once in 2020, right over here, 2021 twice, right? Now we're back to it in 2024, and we went ahead and swept it. We swept it with this wick over here. Remember, the body tells the story, the wicks do the damage. The body managed to close back above this low here in 2021, and then you just have the wick acting as our manipulation below this psychological support, and then we went ahead and had our slingshot to the upside, forming an impulsive move. So it wouldn't surprise me that we now see altcoins start to break out, and we do have that alt season. Okay, just something I wanted to bring towards your attention. Just a quick video update on Saturday. Just to tell you guys that it looks like alts are really starting to start up their engine. You know, we see some alts that are already going, right? Like for example, TRX, right? TRX is already front run. Or for example, Velo. Velo is front running, right? We see these altcoins starting to front run the rest of the market. And this is exactly what we want to see. We see some altcoins consolidating at the lows, chopping sideways and manipulating the masses. And then we have some altcoins already doing its run up. Okay, we can even take a look at SUI, for example, right? You can see how strong it is here on the weekly time frame. Okay, so it's looking good here. You see how we're just curling up here, right? Altcoins are starting to make a comeback here, and we can see that with others' dominance along with Bitcoin dominance as well. Okay? For example, CRV Bitcoin pair, right? We're starting to see altcoins break out of their Bitcoin pair. Right? Also wanted to show you guys something. This is total 3 versus Bitcoin. And we're finally see the breakout after 250 days of us being in this falling wedge. Look at this breakout over here. Right? This is the 3-day time frame, and we have successfully broken out after being within this falling wedge for 251 days. So almost 1 year within this falling wedge, playing with people's emotions. Been definitely a rough time for altcoin holders, and now we're finally starting to see that breakout. Okay, so just something to pay attention to. If your portfolio is Bitcoin heavy, I would definitely consider converting most of the Bitcoin to altcoins. Not financial advice. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.